Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality -4 is less than or equal to h plus 2, which is less than 6. Throughout this video, we will provide step-by-step instructions on how to find the solution to this inequality and represent it in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started with solving -4 is less than or equal to h plus 2, which is less than 6. To solve the compound inequality -4 is less than or equal to h plus 2 less than 6, we need to isolate the variable h in the middle of the expression. This means we want h by itself without any numbers or other terms around it. Notice that what is paired with h right now is a positive 2. To get rid of the plus 2, we need to do the opposite operation, which is subtracting 2. But whatever we do to one part of the inequality, we must do to all parts to maintain balance. So we will subtract 2 from all three parts of the compound inequality. Let's show this step by step. First part, -4 minus 2 gives us -6. Second part, h plus 2 minus 2 gives us h. Third part, 6 minus 2 gives us 4. We now have -6 is less than or equal to h less than 4. This completes step 1, where we isolated the variable h. The new inequality is -6 is less than or equal to h less than 4. In step 2, we will convert the inequality into interval notation. The inequality we have is -6 is less than or equal to h less than 4. In interval notation, we represent the range of possible values for h. The notation for this inequality uses brackets to show where the interval starts and ends. A square bracket means the boundary value is included, and an open bracket means the boundary value is not included. Since -6 is included because of the less than or equal to part, we will use a square bracket for -6. Since 4 is not included because of the less than part, we will use an open bracket for 4. This means the interval notation for the solution is square bracket -6, 4 open bracket. This step concludes the process as we have successfully translated the inequality into interval form. Again, the final interval notation is square bracket -6, 4 open bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.